Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2025 Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid. It's in chalk. It's over black interior that we'll see in just a moment. This is still in our detail shop, but I wanted to get this video done and out to you. Let's take a look at the back first. There's the panoramic sunroof. Do have 4-zone climate control back here, seat heating. Also has the Burmester sound system, carbon fiber accents for the trim. So take a look up front here. Here we have Porsche's 18-way seats. So you have adjustments for this bolster and this one. They're a little bit more pronounced as well. Both seat heating and ventilated seats. And then we do have Sport Chrono, which gives you the dial down here and the clock up in the dash. 10,824 miles as it sits. Do have carbon GT steering wheel as well, carbon on the steering wheel, then heated steering wheel. So just a really nice example, if you're looking for a Cayenne E-Hybrid, Turbo E-Hybrid, this is a nice clean example. Reach out, Randy Witt, Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. It's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.